Hi friends, in this tutorial we are going to explain about another video conferencing application that is called Google Meet. Google Meet is very familiar to you, right? Initially it was available for G Suite account holders. Now it is available for everyone who is having a Gmail account. And those who are having a Gmail account can connect a video conference up to 100 people, and if you are having a G Suite account it can extend up to 250 people. So in mobile phone that APK file is available. So you just download an APK file from the Play Store, Google Meet, and just enter into the meeting. But in PC computer based system, there is no specific application, there is no specific software for that. You need a good browser, maybe Google Chrome is better. Then what you have to do is that just take Google, then type Google Meet. Otherwise, you just type meet.google.com. So if you type like this, you will get a home window like this. Then you should log in properly. Then if you are having a meeting code, just type the meeting code here and you can join the meeting. Otherwise, if you are creating a meeting, then just create start a meeting. Okay, so start a meeting. So meeting is created. Okay, so my camera is starting. Make it off. Then mic is on. So it is properly recording. We can see here. Okay. Then this is the address for joining. So meet.google.com hyphen a is a def hyphen s is a tr hyphen pjv. This can be shared with the participants. Those who are having this ID can join in our meeting. Okay, so I am just first joining to the meeting and I am copying this one. Join meeting, join now. Okay, now I am in a meeting. So copy joining information to share with the other people. Otherwise, if you click the add people, you can give email address properly. Suggestions are there. See, so I am giving just suggest. Okay, so I am just sending the mail. So he will get an invitation properly through the email ID. Otherwise, we are having a email ID, sharing information, and that sharing information can be shared with the participant. If we lost the sharing information, you can get it from meeting details. This is the joining information, copy joining information. Here you can send the attachments also between the participants. So I am going to share this meeting in ID. Okay, so mic is enabled and video is disabled. So I am just starting the video. And turn on captions are there. It is one of the facility available in Google Meet. Okay, uh, video is enabled. Then if you click the turn option, what I am speaking, it's converted here. Okay, that means if we can speak in local language also. Okay, so Sajan is joined. Okay. Hi, sir. Uh, so I explained to turn off captions. The captions. Okay. Now I am having present view. So if I click the present view, your entire screen, a window, a Chrome tab can be shared. Okay. So I am just sharing the entire screen. Entire screen selected, shared. So the full screen has been shared with the participant. Okay. So I think you can see the entire screen, sir. Okay. So in Zoom application, we can select the application, which software to be shared. But here, the entire screen can be shared with the participant. But the problem is, if the other participant is start sharing, immediately that my sharing get cancelled and their sharing will get it. Okay, so that is one of the drawback of Google. Yes, 1 minute. Yes. I am just sharing now. Now I am in. I am telling Sajan sir, please share one file. Then what happened? We'll see. Okay, you are presenting to everyone. Now what you can see. See, I did anything, but Sajan sir is trying to present his window or his screen. Then immediately my screen get automatically cancelled. So that is one of the drawback of Google Meet facility. But compared to Zoom application, there is no specific application. There is any specific applications required to required for video conferencing. Again, there is no time limit for that. For an ordinary Gmail account, we will get up to 100 participants without any time limitation. Okay. Yes, sir. Anything else? Yeah. 1 minute. Then on the right bottom we are having so many functions. In here we can change the layout. Okay, different layout options are there. uh, see, spotlight, 1 3 formats are there. You can select any of them depending upon our situation. Okay, then another option is little bit slow. Full screen is there. We can change the camera, we can set the we can go to the settings. Setting means microphone can be checked, speakers can be checked, video, the quality of the video can be checked. Then general application, report additional, there's nothing special in it. Okay, so these are the some of the additional facility available in Google Meet. I think there is no direct recording facility for Google Meet application. Then you can chat, you can interact with the colleagues, and here also personal interaction is possible as well as the individual interaction, a public interaction is also possible. So can you share, sir, a file and as a so can you speak in hello sir, can you speak in local language so that whether the change in this caption is coming or not, we can check.
അല്ല അത് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറഞ്ഞാൽ അത് അവിടെ വരാൻ സാധ്യതയില്ല. എന്തെങ്കിലും വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും തെറ്റായിട്ടുള്ള ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്ത് വരാനേ സാധ്യതയുള്ളൂ.
Okay.
നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ പറഞ്ഞതിൽ ടൈപ്പ് തുടങ്ങിയ ചില വേർഡ്സ്, സം വേർഡ്സ് ആർ ഓൺലി കമ്മിങ് വിത്ത് കറക്റ്റ് സ്പെല്ലിംഗ്, അതർവൈസ് സം വേർഡ്സ് irregular words will.
Okay, so only it will convert the English language, or can it convert the Hindi?
No.
Okay.
It converts only English language to typed text.
Type text. Okay, fine. This is one of the best facility compared to other conferencing applications, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
For a hearing impaired person can easily chat in this window. Can learn.
Okay. 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 Now, please, sir, can you share one file?
Screen, I can share 3 different views are there. I can either share a what is called whole screen, or a window, or a prompt tab. Here I am sharing my whole screen, and from here I can play anything, any file on this screen. That is, if I would like to share a video, I can just click open, and you can see the limitation also from here. If I play a video from here, it may not be play well because it shows only the the moving part, not sound will be there. No, sound will be
Delivered.
delivered there. And such a limitation can be overcome in Google Meet itself by using the another method of sharing. Here, can you see? Can you? Is the sound is audible?
Yes, yes.
No.
No, no.
Now it is not audible, I think.
No. Now it is available.
Okay. Yeah, it is because of the reason that if I use a speaker, that sound will be passed
Okay.
through this microphone.
Okay, okay. That is computer audio, it won't detect, right?
Yeah, yeah. Otherwise, another method is that for that I have to stop here and I will rejoin the meeting after a few seconds. I can rejoin. I will stop sharing and leave the meeting.
Okay. So in Zoom application, we can share the computer audio, but in Meet application, we don't have any sharing, direct sharing method. Okay. So Science sir is shown one method to how to share the audio. If we have a separate mic, so sorry, separate speaker, play the speaker audio, and through the speaker audio. So he is now showing another technique. He will explain how it is possible. He will explain how it is possible after joining the meeting. It's not a direct trick, I think. Direct method. Some trick is there.
Yeah, it is the presenting the screen directly without sharing the audio or video. I can directly present with my audio of the computer, but at the same time, I cannot use my web camera or microphone.
Okay.
And for each purpose, we have to leave the meeting and come again.
Uh-huh.
After presenting the audio, I have to leave and then come back again. Then only I can share.
Okay, okay. Okay. That means instead of join meeting, start
Yeah.
presenter.
Yeah, start
Okay.
as a presenter.
Start presenter. So that the computer audio and the computer screen will be shared.
Yeah,
At
so
the
you will just try, then you can demonstrate that step.
okay, okay. So I'm just
First leave
leaving.
the
Yeah.
meeting and return.
Okay. Camera is starting. Yeah, this is the present option. Okay, and their screen we can share. Share audio here. This is checked so that you can share the screen. We are presenting with the presentation audio. Okay, so anything we can share right now, so that will be observable there. Okay, then stop presenting and come out from the meeting and rejoin. Join now.
Okay, now that is good.
Okay, okay. So that's all now, sir. Anything extra is there?
Yeah.
So we explained the Google Meet and Zoom application. Okay. I think everything is over under this video conferencing application. Shall I stop? Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining with me for preparing this tutorial. Thank you. So that's all about Google Meet, and there are so many additional plugins are available through Chrome settings. Like you can take the attendance, etc., etc. You can do that. You can get it into this in a self-paced manner. You can follow. So that's about Google Meet. Thank you.